Welcome back. One of the sustainable farming lately is breeding your own black soldier fly for you to produce your own insect protein, in which the larvae will be fed to your livestock using waste. As you are seeing this fly, they don't feed on anything except water. They only feed on water. That's what makes them sustainable. With this farming, once you have the knowledge and the expertise, you have nothing to lose in this farming. It's growing your own insect protein that you can be using in your livestock. Very rich, that can replace soya and fish meal. This how to breed your black soldier fly, whether using natural lighting or artificial lighting. This is how to breed it. As you can see, the mating is in progress and egg laying in a couple of days will be in progress. As you can see, they are all over the eggs, ready to deposit their eggs. This black soldier fly breeding. To learn about this farming, you can contact us. Thank you.